In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a credit card in Agoda. To begin, open your Agoda app. From the home page, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Among the options displayed, tap on My Saved Cards, which is usually the third option. Once you open this section, check the box labeled Store Credit Card Details. Enabling this option means that once you enter your card information, it will be saved in your account and you will not have to type it in manually each time you make a booking. However, it is important to note that Agoda does not allow you to add a card directly without making a booking. The only way to add a card is during the booking process itself, since that is when payment details are required. So, go back to the home page and select the hotel or property you wish to book. Tap on Choose My Room, then select a room option. For this example, I'll choose a standard room and tap on Book. Once you move forward, tap on Next Final Step. On this page, scroll down until you reach the payment section. Here, you will find the option to enter your credit card details. Fill in the required information, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering these details and confirming your booking, the card will automatically be saved to your account because you previously enabled the option to store credit card details. From then on, you will not have to enter your card manually again, as Agoda will remember it for future bookings. That is how you can successfully add a credit card to your Agoda account.